Hello everyone. Spring is around the corner. Daylights are getting longer. The warmer weather is upon us. So what to expect in the spring housing market? It's that time of year again, and the spring housing market is just around the corner. So what can you expect this spring? Well, it looks like it's going to be a busy and competitive season with low inventory and high demand. So if you are thinking of buying or selling a property, now is the time to start preparing. If you are buying, make sure you have a pre-approval in hand and be ready to act fast when you find the right property. And if you are selling, it's a great time to spruce up your home and make it stand out to potential buyers. But no matter what you are doing in the spring housing market, it's always important to work with a trusted and experienced real estate professional who can guide you through the process and help you make the most of your investment. So if you want to stay ahead of the game in the spring housing market, like and follow. We will be back with more great real estate tips very shortly. Have an awesome day.